Welcome to Plagiarism Police, Licensed to Research, a breakout focused on avoiding plagiarism. We here at the Plagiarism Police Department believe that researching is a very serious matter. We feel so strongly about this that we are requiring you all to earn your research license before beginning your next assignment. In order to prove you are an ethical user of information and to earn the right to research, you must complete a series of tasks to solve the puzzles and get into the large breakout box where we have safely placed your licenses. Good luck! For this game, you will use these resources from the Breakout EDU kit: the large Breakout EDU box, the small Breakout EDU box, the 3-digit lock, the 4-digit lock, the key lock, the ABC multi-lock, the directional multi-lock, and the hasp. You will also need the UV pen, the UV flashlight, hint cards, and reflection cards. First, set your locks to the following combinations. You can pause the video if you like. The 3-digit lock should be set to 1, 1, 1. The 4-digit lock should be set to 2, 4, 6, 8. The directional multi-lock should be set to right, right, up, down, left. The ABC multi-lock should be set to R, I, G, H, T. Please print the following items. Note that they may be printed in color or black and white. You will need 1 copy of the Copyright It's the Law sheet for the directional multi-lock, 1 copy of the Plagiarism True-False quiz for the ABC multi-lock, 1 copy of the newspaper picture which leads to an online puzzle that solves the 4-digit lock, 1 copy of the eye chart cards which lead to the location of the key, 1 copy of the copyright glue and scissors card, which leads to an online puzzle that solves the 3-digit lock, 1 copy of the We Broke Out sign. You are going to lock the large Breakout EDU box with 4 locks, but first you will need to place the We Broke Out sign inside. You will lock the large box with the hasp, the 3-digit lock, the key lock, the directional multi-lock, and the ABC multi-lock. You are going to lock the small Breakout EDU box with a 4-digit lock, but first you will need to place some items inside. Cut out the 4 eye chart cards. Use the UV pen to write a possible location of the key on each card. Only the card with the correct citation on it, the one that starts with Rowling, should have the correct location of the key written on it. Place 2 of the eye chart cards inside the small box. Next, cut out 1 copy of the copyright glue and scissors card and place it in the small box. You will also need to place the UV flashlight inside the small box. Then lock the small box with a 4-digit lock. For the 4-digit lock, print 1 copy of the newspaper picture. Hang up the newspaper picture somewhere around the room or place it near the boxes. The newspaper picture contains a bit.ly link to an online matching game. Once the players have correctly matched the words and symbols for copyright, public domain, Creative Commons, and fair use, they will receive a message which contains the combination to the 4-digit lock. The message is 2, 4, 6, 8. Who do we appreciate? You did it. You matched them all. So the combination to the 4-digit lock is 2, 4, 6, 8. For the 3-digit lock, print 1 copy of the copyright glue and scissors card and place it in the small Breakout EDU box. The copyright glue and scissors card tells players to consider the number of references to fruit, furniture, and candy brands. It also contains a bit.ly link to an online puzzle. Players will put together the online puzzle and read the content. As they are reading, they should find that there is 1 reference to fruit, apple, 1 reference to furniture, table, and 1 reference to a brand of candy, Hershey. So the combination to the 3-digit lock is 1, 1, 1. For the directional multi-lock, print 1 copy of the Copyright It's the Law sheet and place it somewhere around the room or near the boxes. Players will read the Copyright It's the Law article and pay attention to the bolded directional word hints. In order, they will find the bolded word copyright, which includes the word right, so the first arrow is right. The bolded phrase copyright infringement, which includes the word right, so the second arrow is right. The bolded phrase, "It's up to the owner," which includes the word up, so the third arrow is up. The bolded phrase, "Here's the lowdown," which includes the word down, so the fourth arrow is down. The bolded phrase, "So what's left?" which includes the word left, so the fifth arrow is left. Putting it together in order, the combination to the directional multi-lock is right, right, up, down, left. For the ABC multi-lock, print one copy of the plagiarism true-false quiz and place it somewhere around the room or near the boxes. Players will take the plagiarism true-false quiz. They will need to use the bolded letter from each of the true answers and rearrange them to spell the word right, which completes the quote by Zig Ziglar. "With integrity, you have nothing to fear, since you have nothing to hide. With integrity, you will do the right thing, so you will have no guilt." For the key lock, print one copy of the eye chart cards. Cut out the cards so they are separated. Place two of the cards in the small breakout box and place the other two cards somewhere around the room or near the boxes. All four eye chart cards have a handwritten location that is revealed with a UV light. Only the card with the correct citation contains the correct location where the key can be found. Players will determine which of the eye chart cards has a proper citation, and then they will find the key at the location on that card. Now let's take a look at the game flow. You will begin the breakout by reading the plagiarism police story. All of the puzzles will either be spread out around the room or near the two boxes. Once the story has been read, players will have 40 minutes to try to solve all of the puzzles and unlock all of the locks. Players will be able to unlock the directional multi-lock, the ABC multi-lock, and the 4-digit lock right away. Once they solve the 4-digit lock puzzle, which is the newspaper picture, they will be able to unlock the 4-digit lock, which is locked in the small Breakout EDU box. Once they open the small Breakout EDU box, they will get the copyright glue and scissors card, the other two eye chart cards, and the UV light. These items will help the students unlock the 3-digit lock and the key lock, which are locked on the large Breakout EDU box. Once the players get into the large Breakout EDU box, they will see the "We Broke Out" sign, which means that the game is over and they were successful. Reflection questions are provided in the Breakout EDU template to go over with students after the game. Have fun!